Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Just Token. When I shared my last video on Just Token, at that time it was trying to break out a very big falling wedge pattern. And this was the video, by the way, that I shared almost 10 days ago. And now if this was, by the way, the last video I shared, that was almost 7 days ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we had a long spike, but the price and could not break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern once again. You can see we have three more touch points. One, two, and three more touch points here. And it is not even also able to break out this resistance of 3.5 cents as well. That has been previously breaking as a support, and now for the past several months, it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Just that I shared with my members almost 6 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Just that I shared almost 6 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Just token formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone. You can see first it dropped more down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal move. And this was almost 15% pump. And read the sell targets on here. By the way, I shared this idea on 5th of November 2023. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And this move I shared in the previous month on 3rd of October 2023. And that was a bad move that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart, a bullish bad move that Just token formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that this time the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. First, it dropped more down inside this buying zone, you can see here, and then moved sideways here. And then we had a very, very massive pump. And so far, it has rallied more than 82%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after Feb 2021, for the past several months, it is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern. By the way, we found a resistance here in the month of April 2021. And you can see that now we got several attempts by the price. And you can see we have one, two. This was, by the way, a quite powerful attempt in the previous week, but the price end could not break it out once again. And now, again, it is struggling to break out the resistance. This is the third week that we are struggling to break out this downtrend line resistance and this key resistance for a very, very big move that we have here at 3.5 cents, slightly above than the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. From my point of view, this is the basic reason, this 3.5 cents, that is not letting the price end to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. If we would not have this strong resistance of 3.5 cents, then there was a very strong possibility that the price may break out this time during this attempt, this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. By the way, once the price will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern and this key resistance of 3.5 cents, then the final target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.